Good morning and welcome to the video for Friday, March the 12th and Monday, March the 15th. This is going to be a video for 5th grade for our virtual instruction, and we're going to be looking at some worksheets. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. All of these are fairly easy. I just want to get a little bit more practice with some of the things that we've been working on lately. So we've been working with graphing and we've been working with coordinate plane, or at least as far as doing one quadrant of that. And so for the first one, we are working with some problems related to a graph. We're doing ticket prices, so it looks like they go all the way up from 50 cents up to $7, and we're going from 1956 all the way up to 2006 for our data points. And so every 10 years we have a point, and that's going to show the amount that tickets cost during that time. And so we have some different questions about how many years, what our price difference is between two different points. One of the big ones, in which 10-year period did the prices increase the most? So we're looking for the largest amount of change between 2 points. So take a look at those really closely. There's one that should stick out a little bit more than all the others for that. One of them, number 5, we're going to need to be really careful. So we need to find how much 5 tickets would be at this price versus 1 ticket in 2006. And then we have another one that we want to figure out how many tickets we could buy at the 1976 price, which should be pretty easy if we go ahead and write it out. Because I did front back, I don't have as much space for you guys to work out problems. So if you need to use a separate sheet of paper, definitely do that. This one is really easy. Go ahead, make sure to keep in mind our directions here. First coordinate tells us how many points to move to the right on the x-axis. So our x value is always going to be first. Going this way, y value is always going to be second. We are just going to write in the names of the locations for each particular point. So you may have to look pretty closely, like this one comes down to here, to see where the individual window connects to the point on the grid. On Monday, we are going to have a lot of different points. It's actually not that hard. Again, we're going to follow the same rules. Our first number is how far to the right we're going. Our second number is how far up we're going. It is going to spell out a message. Once you figure out what the message is, it should be pretty quick and easy. And for the second worksheet for Monday, we're doing something similar. Actually, I think this is an identical worksheet that I gave 6th grade as well. We are going to take a number and find the number that's half that size. So if I want 50% of this, there are 2 different ways we can do it. The easiest way is to go ahead and write out the number and divide by 2. So those are our worksheets for our distance learning time. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in Google Classroom. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you all on Tuesday.